In this training video, we'll be going over Teams settings. And as you can see, we're in the Settings tab and the Teams tab. So as a default, we give you Team 1, Team 2, Team 3. You can add more, and you can call these anything that you want. We also recommend that you put storage or warehouse. That way you have an area for your equipment that would not be on board the trucks. If you wanted to add a new truck, let's say, because you just acquired a new truck, you'd click on here and you would add it here. And you can call it anything you want, but in this case we'll say truck 4. Click on OK, and you can see that it just populated right here. This is for your drop-down menus. So when you want to pick your truck or your team, you have it. If you want to set it as inactive, let's say truck 4 is out for repairs, well, just click here and it's inactive. Truck's been repaired, let's get it back on the road, it's active. To your success, and thank you for watching.